In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lessons in Skool Classroom. We'll move from opening your browser all the way to publishing a polished lesson your members can see. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Skool. When the results appear, click the official Skool website. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock and the correct domain before you proceed. Next, log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, Skool will drop you straight into your community. If you manage more than one community, make sure you're viewing the right one before you continue. At the top of your community, click the Classroom tab. This is where all of your courses, modules, and lessons live. Inside Classroom, choose the specific course where you want to add content. If you haven't created a course yet, click the New Course button. Give it a clear name and set who can access it, such as all members or only certain levels, so expectations are clear from the start. Modules act like chapters. Within your course, click Add Folder and give the folder a concise, descriptive title. Many creators name folders by topic or outcome so learners immediately understand what they'll find inside. Now open that folder and click Add Page. In Skool, a page is the actual lesson. This is where your teaching content lives. After the page is created, click the pencil icon to open the editor. Begin by typing your lesson content. Use headers to break ideas into sections, and, when helpful, use short bullet lists for steps or key takeaways. Keep sentences clear and scannable so learners can follow along easily. To add video, click the video icon and paste a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom. Make sure the video is set to a shareable privacy level, like unlisted, so your audience can view it without issues. To include supporting materials, scroll to the bottom and use the Add Resource options. You can attach PDFs, worksheets, slide decks, or add external links. Use descriptive names so members instantly know what each resource is for. When everything looks good, toggle the Published switch to make the lesson visible to your members, then click Save. If you're not ready to share yet, leave it unpublished and return later to finish. That's it. You've opened Skool, entered your community, navigated to Classroom, structured your course with a folder, created a lesson page, added text, video, and resources, and published it with a single switch.